Hi, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna try another beautiful and interesting video editing app whose name is InShot. This is also a really good app. It has a really many much interesting features. I can also say it is also one of the best video editing app. And so we can just click import our video. So click on video. So we have imported our video, and then we will go here and click on 16:9. Okay, yes, this is already fit 16:9. Okay, so our video ratio is set, and you can see this is a beautiful video. So if anywhere if we wanna trim any scene, so we can go here, and actually we should select split. The scene is split, cut the between scene, delete. So this is how you can split any scene from here. And the next thing you need to do is select like filters. There are many filters, but I will go with adjusting it. So I think I should adjust it because it is a really like beautiful, like it we can do it on us. So I think I should like I have already shown you like how you can trim between scene, but I don't need this much video. I will just go with one clip in my video and delete the other one. So the little thing is just is a clip of 6 seconds, and I will do it easily. And I have shown you how you can cut like trim a video from between one scene, and you wanna trim a scene from a video, and you can just like how you can split trim it. I have shown you. So now I am gonna edit the video that I have left. Okay, so go to like filter, effect. There are many effects, but I will go with adjust. Adjust is the best thing that I think you should adjust it on yourself, or you will do everything on yourself. Contrast, decrease it a little bit. Warm, don't mess with it. Saturation, increase it a little bit. HSL, I will come here after doing other things. I can also say you that in other app you have not the HSL feature, but I have HSL feature because I'm using Pro. So you can also, I will not suggest you to get Pro. I will also find some ways to use this to download. You know what I am saying. I have all, you don't need to pay. You have other features also to use this. So if you wanna do anything, so just go, don't use HSL, and do the other things that I am doing. Don't do fade on your video. Highlight, yes, highlight it a little bit. Decrease the shadows a little bit. I want to make it look cinematic. Color vignette, yes, I love this feature. Yes, I really love this feature in color grading. Sharp it, this is also my favorite, one of my favorite feature. The more sharp you will do, the more sharp the picture will, the more clear it will look. Like look at the grass now, and now it is clearly, it is showing clear view. Okay, so we have already done many changes. Now we will come on HSL. I have already tell you about HSL, that it is a pro feature in this app, and if you have the pro version of it, then you should use it. You should not buy this only for this feature. And there are many other ways to download the pro version without paying. You know what I am trying to say. You can find many ways, but it's on you. I have also not paid. I have find some ways to download it, the pro version. Work like work smart pro, don't pay without any reason. Okay, if you have enough like you don't, I suggest you not to pay. I suggest you to watch some tutorials and videos and download it without paying, and download the pro version without paying. And this much for the some features. You should download it for free by using some ways. work smart, bro. And now back to our point. So this is a thing, like there is green color showing. If I will do this, this will look like this. It is no, this is amazing, bro. This is so much amazing. And if I wanna change the green color, I can do this or this or this. I will make it back. Okay, yellow color, do this, do this. I think I should change this if I want. Yes, I will do this. Now blue color. Okay, no changes. I will select this blue color. Yes, it is making changes. If I wanna change this, I can change this color. Oh no, it is not looking good. It is simple looking good. It was looking good as when it was simple. Okay, so yes, now come to back our point on saturation. If I will do this, doesn't it look attractive? I think it look attractive, but I will not kill the beauty of nature, bro. I think this is the best. Wow, bro, wow. I can just say wow. You have seen how interesting it has made the video, and you can see how beautiful now it is looking. How everything is on, you can see everything here, and how beautiful this is looking, you can also see. So we can also put text on our video and the stuff like this, and you can click anything beautiful. Go here, select some cinematic. This is looking cinematic already. I think I should, but I should go with this. Okay, select the color. White is looking cinematic. Okay, no, also not this, bro. I think we should go with this. I think we should go with this. Put it here, and this, like this your video will look. I mostly use this app for color grading my video, because it has a really beautiful color grading options, and which makes it more good than the others. Okay, so we have seen, like, we have the text on the video, and we can, if you now, I don't think that there are much more things that are left on this video, so I can just click on save from here. 108p, you will see it is exporting. So I hope you have liked the video. If yes, please, bro, please like the video, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friend. I will meet you in the next video. Bye till then.